All right, so we're part of the way up over Hagerman Trail, but my Jeep needs a tire air pressure reduction. So we're gonna let some of this air out of the tires so we can get through these rocks. Always lowering your tire pressure helps when going over obstacles. I need to get myself a tool to do that actually. I'm gonna do that today.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, so along the trail they have these snow huts that are operated by a nonprofit, and in the winter, the four-wheel drive road that we're on, you have to hike all the way up from the beginning and then you can stay here, and these are equipped for skiers that want to come up here and ski. Talk about being isolated but peaceful. This would be the jam. So if you're interested in hitting up one of these huts here in Colorado, definitely check it out. I don't know the link, but you could do a little research with Google. I'm not sure I could hike all the way up here. That's a long way, but man, they've got ovens inside, fire burning stoves, they've got everything, and look at this view. Look at this. All right, I made it to the top of Hagerman Pass, but look at this. The road is blocked with snow. If you look there in the distance, there's a truck. He came in from the other side. He can't get through. So we're at the very top. It's the middle of June. The road out here is still blocked, but what a beautiful drive. If you're out in Colorado, you need to come to Leadville, check it out, stay in the National Forest, and then come up here to Hagerman Pass. It's beautiful, and there's lots of snow. But you know what? I'm not gonna let the fact that there's a little snow out there stop me. I'm gonna head out there, and I'm gonna cross. So I'm back from Hagerman Pass, and I just got email notification that my Goal Zero controller and my spade to SAE, which is the cable you need to hook into your Airstream trailer, is here. So I'm finally gonna be able to add a 100-watt solar panel to my system. I just gotta ride over and pick it up from my buddy's P.O Box, and I'll be set. So let's go pick that up and plug it in so we can get some extra juice from the sun. Now this package is from Goal Zero, and I have been waiting a long time to get what is in here. Oh my gosh. My spade to SAE cable, my bracket to mount on my briefcase solar panel, and this right here, this is the jam. This is my new controller. Oh, I'm so happy to have this. Da-da-da. Woo! All right, I've needed this for my solar panel because without this controller, I can't feed sun power or solar power into my trailer. So I'm gonna mount this, throw out my 100-watt briefcase solar panel, and I'm gonna be up and charging my batteries, which aren't doing so great right now, with an extra 100 watts of solar. I am pumped. Let's get this thing hooked up. Hey, bud. Hey, Alice. You here to help me work? Or you here for the ham? All right, really great news. I got the controller put on my Goal Zero panel. So what does that mean? That means now, starting tomorrow, I can actually use an extra 100 watts to assist and supplement the battery charging on my trailer. So we're all set. So I'm gonna pack everything up, go inside. It's time for me to get this trailer cleaned up. It is a mess. And it's time for dinner. All right, it's been a good day. Oh, I probably should put air in the tires because they're still rocking 25 PSI, so might do that. All right, let's get inside and clean up and put everything up for the day.